Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Stacie. Today I'm tackling my to-do list, which I've got here, and I will show you a close-up of. I just have a few things I need to get done today. I just dropped my boys off at school. I'm still in my PJs, but I'm about to get the show on the road. So without further ado, let's just jump right in. Okay, so here's my list. The first thing I need to do is just organize the pantry. It's gotten a little bit out of hand. I need to put away my fall decor. I'm not quite decorating for Christmas just yet, but I've gathered it all and I just need to put it away in the closet. I need to make my bed. I'm gonna put on new sheets and put on my comforter since it's getting cooler. And then I went to Goodwill and washed a bunch of clothes that I purchased, so I'm gonna put those away. I'm also doing some laundry, which I'm gonna switch over here in a minute. And then just overall, I'm gonna straighten up the house. It's not too dirty right now, but I just need to pick it up. So let's get going. Okay, so I had to run upstairs just to switch the laundry over because I actually threw a load in just before taking the kids to school. I don't do a load of laundry every single day, but I try to do laundry at least 2 to 3 times a week. And so when I do, I'll go ahead and start a load first thing in the morning before taking the kids to school.
These places change me, each one replacing, like night into morning. I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you, like we used to.
Next, I'm just heading back downstairs and I'm gonna go through and just tidy up the pantry. Nothing too crazy here. It's just got a little bit disorganized here with all of the kids' like Halloween candies, their snacks and stuff like that. But as you can see, the left side here doesn't look too bad. So I'm just gonna go through and straighten this up really quick.
The endless journey, I need not worry, I'll get where I'm going. I made it this far beyond where you are, and I'll keep on growing. I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you. I'm better off alone, never know when I'll get home.
Okay, so here it is, all done. That didn't take me very long, maybe just like a few minutes. The recycle needs emptied, but that is one of my son's chores, so I'm gonna go ahead and save that for after school. And yeah, so task number 1 down. So here's all the fall decor. I just kind of gathered it all up over here. And I pulled out my fall decor bin, and it's not as simple of a task as I thought it would be because I have all of my normal / spring decor in here. So it's not just a matter of putting this away. I really didn't want to get all this out and like decorate with it because I'm going to be getting out my Christmas decor in the next week or so, not today. So the question is, what do I do with all this in the meantime? I need to figure that out and figure it out soon. And I'm thinking I might just use this area to kind of like hide it all in there. This little thing is already full with like my fall candles and scents and whatnot. So, but this is also full in here. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Might just shove it all in here for now until I get out the Christmas stuff.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty.
empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are.
Okay, think I'm good. Got all that packed away. And then I'm just gonna put all of this on here for now. So for now, this is how this is just gonna have to look. I know it's a cluttered mess, but once I get out the Christmas decor, I'll have somewhere to store all this. Of course, our tree is gonna go right here. Anyway, this is gonna slide down or get moved. So for a couple weeks, that'll do. Okay, before moving on to the upstairs, I am going to straighten up down here.
And don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Okay, now heading back upstairs, I'm just gonna remove the clothes from the dryer and switch over the laundry again. And I also have some clothes hanging there on the door that were options for our family photos, so I'm just gonna put those away as well. And then before moving on to folding them, I'm just gonna go through one of my boys' rooms and kind of tidy up their space. I'm not sure why, but all of my boys love dragging blankets all throughout the entire house. It drives me crazy, but they steal the blankets from my bedroom and then they drag their blankets all over the house. So I'm just putting my blanket away, and then I found their blanket in my room. I'm just putting them all away where they go. And now moving on to my bedroom, I'm gonna go ahead and strip the bed. These sheets we didn't particularly like. I didn't realize they were kind of older and were starting to pill a little bit, so they weren't as comfortable to sleep on. So I'm just putting a new set on, and then it is starting to get a little bit cooler, so we're putting on the comforter as well. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put away all those clothes over there on my chair that were from Goodwill. Oh gosh, so here I wanted to put a black set of sheets on, and I don't know, for whatever reason I thought this was like a queen set, and it wasn't. I think it's a full. So there went that plan. I had to start over and then pick another set. I wasn't even sure why we had a full-size sheet set, because we don't even have a full bed in the house. And then it dawned on me that I might have purchased it for our futon, so I went ahead and put it on in there, and that's in the playroom. That way the little mattress for the futon is protected. And now I'm just applying the comforter like I mentioned. Usually I'll put a duvet cover over this. We have a white one and I actually have a black one as well. But this is just a two-sided comforter, black and gray. I just decided to leave it for now. I might end up buying another duvet cover. I might end up buying a down feather comforter. I'm not quite sure yet. And now I'm on the hunt for the other white pillow. I could not find it anywhere for the life of me. Again, something else that my kids constantly take and mess around with. But I did end up finding it later that night behind that chair. So, funny story. I thought I had looked behind that chair, but apparently watching this back, I didn't. But anyway, I just decided to give up and said, oh well, I'll run across it later. So finally, I'm going to get to putting these clothes away that I got from Goodwill. I washed them probably several days prior and they were sitting on that chair for a few days. This is why I like to make to-do lists, because it just helps me get the job done. And FYI, I got all these clothes at their 50% off sale, and all of these were less than $50. So I love thrift store shopping. I mean, I can get a whole new wardrobe for a fraction of the price going elsewhere. And now to finish my final task, which is laundry. This is just Levi and Blake's load of laundry. And so what I like to do is just lay everything out, fold it, what have you, and then I'll put Blake's away. He's my 5-year-old, but Levi's 10, so I'll just set him aside and he'll go ahead and put him away after school. If they're home, I'll actually have them help me just to get them in the routine and the habit of knowing how to do their laundry, and it teaches them responsibility. But yeah, I just try to do laundry as fast as I can. I don't mind folding and putting away. It's actually matching socks that I hate. So yeah, I'm just gonna let the music play. So this is how I do laundry. I will go ahead and wash and fold, and I do it for my 2 younger boys. My oldest will do his own clothes, wash, dry, fold, put away. But for my middle one, who's 10 years old, I'll go ahead and wash them and fold them and leave them in the hamper like this, or the laundry basket, and set this in his room, and he's responsible for putting it all away. If he's home while I'm doing laundry, I will call him up and have him help me. I will have him match the socks, help fold the underwear. This is my least favorite part of laundry. I cannot stand doing socks and underwear. And just a little tip too, if you ever cannot find a matching sock, I don't store it in any certain place. I simply put it in the drawer, because typically the next week or the next time I do laundry, it pops up. A lot of times we'll find socks throughout the house, underneath furniture, beds, couches, that sort of thing. And 8 times out of 10, 9 times out of 10, it'll show up the next time we do laundry. Okay, and that wraps up today's video. Thanks for coming along with me and helping me tackle my to-do list. Hopefully this brought you guys some motivation to tackle your to-do list today. Don't know what's up with my hair, don't mind me. Let me fix it. Of course, my battery dies when I have like 1 second left of filming. But anyway, don't mind this stupid mess of a hair. Anyway, thanks for coming along with me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.